It refers to a bone condition wherein the finger joints cannot be bent. A. Ankylosis. B. Chiroscopy. C. Calcar. D. Webbed finger. Answer A. Ankylosis. It is the ridge counting of a loop pattern in the index, middle, and ring fingers of both hands. A. Key classification. B. Major classification. C. Final classification. D. Subsecondary classification. Answer D. Subsecondary classification. It is a type of fingerprint pattern which possesses either an angle or upthrust or two of the three basic characteristics of the loop. A. Plain arc. B. Tented arc. C. Ulnar loop. D. Radial loop. Answer B. Tented arc. In order to take advantage of the natural movement of the forearm, the hand should be rotated from the more difficult position to the easiest position. A. True. B. False. C. Partially true. D. Partially false. Answer A. True. In this pattern, the ridges enter from either side, recurve, and pass out or tend to pass out the same side they entered. A. Loop. B. Whirl. C. Arc. D. Tented arc. Answer A. Loop. The outer terminus of a fingerprint pattern usually found in loops and whirls. A. Core. B. Delta. C. Ridges. D. Type lines. Answer B. Delta. The symbol for radial loop is A. RL. B. R. C. U. D. UL. Answer B. R. In taking fingerprints, the technician must encourage the subject being fingerprinted to relax. A. True. B. False. C. Partially true. D. Partially false. Answer A. True. This is the impression at the bottom of the card that are taken simultaneously without rolling, printing all of the fingers of each hand at a 45-degree angle and the thumbs. A. Rolled impression. B. Slapped impression. C. Flat impression. D. Letter B and C. Answer D. Letter B and letter C. These are the innermost ridges running parallel or nearly parallel to each other, which diverge and surround or tend to surround the pattern area. A. Bifurcation. B. Type lines. C. Pattern area. D. Core. Answer B. Type lines.